got the keys. So y'all, we doing an overnight U-Haul. I'm not overnight. How you open? Is this on? Oh. Basically, it's a 24-hour U-Haul, so you can get it even on their off hours because they open at 10, but we wanted to get the truck at 9. So I am about to drive this U-Haul, y'all. There's my mother. She's really, she mad, y'all. I don't know how you know what key is it? Huh? What key is the one for the car? Oh, I guess I'll just keep trying more. There it is, y'all. Alright, y'all, so it's 9:53 and we're in front of the apartment complex. They don't open up until 10 and we don't move in until 12, but we want to go ahead and sign the lease. Well, we want to see the unit first and then sign the lease. Don't sign no lease until you see what unit you're getting, because they can show you any type of model. They can show you all these different rooms, but you're not gonna know what yours is gonna look like. So don't sign your lease until you see your unit. No matter whatever they say, you go ahead and be very stern and be whatever the word is. But yeah, so that's what we about to do. So yeah, anyway, we're about to go ahead and have them show us the unit, and then we're going to pay the move-in fees, and then we'll sign the lease. But I'm not doing any steps before that until I see my unit. And if it doesn't look renovated, it doesn't look how it's supposed to look and what they say, then I'm not going forward with it. And that's going to be sad for them and sad for us too. But yeah, hopefully that's not the case. This is a really good apartment complex. Very nice, very bougie, very upscale, very great reviews, no bad reviews. Like, literally there's no bad reviews, and I'm big on that. But anyway, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and wait until they open these doors in about 6 minutes. It's moving day, hoes. So y'all, at this part, okay, so it's a lot that happened up to this point. So when we got to the apartment complex, y'all, they didn't even let us see it. They talking about it's still not ready. Mind you, it was 10 o'clock when we went there, and we were scheduled to move in at 12. So what do you mean it's still not ready? It's 2 hours before our move-in. Why is our apartment not ready? Like, why? Took a second. Oh my gosh, I'm tired. I think it's down here, this one.
Valet trash.
That was open.
Alright, welcome to your new home.
Thank you. Okay, so that's the plane. Oh, we do got the balcony. Oh. Yep. It's the same. Period. Yes, sir.
Who is this?
Mine. I want the bathroom. No, they all the same. This one's just in the room. Yep. That's why I wanted it, because it was a different style. It's like a mini house. No, she got more storage. She got a lot of storage. Put me in. I'm not. Y'all see did y'all see the office? The office. In the front. Oh yeah, this looks just like the model. It's official, y'all. We saw the unit. It looks exactly like the model. Obviously just empty. You already know, like I said, don't sign no lease until you see your model. Cause y'all, when I said we had hell getting here, I'm gonna explain that. It's gonna be a good story time. A good story time. But we got hella help. So many people here to help us. So now we got to sign the lease. The keys. All these cards are for us. Everybody's posted. Literally all of this. And now we about to go sign a lease.
You got it?
Yeah. Yay! And then you just check the yellow boxes.
Oh.
Girl, I thought that was a mirror. Oh my gosh.
I was like, no, he did not. But no. Oh, see.
Why would you do that? And this keeps
Well, Mom, they know we moving in. Huh?
Nah, they was everybody was all saying that because they said not like it couldn't fit, but how was it gonna fit?
My YouTube girls, they gonna be like, oh, who that? They gonna be like, who the one with the shirt off? Who the one with the head on? Who the one with the...
Just put it on here.
What?
Like, we don't have to pop it up. Boyfriend.
No.
Mother.
I'm like, oh no, that's mine.
Available.
Oh wait, no, that one's my sister's.
No, available.
Right, not available.
You should put it like that.
Available.
Like, so just say, I know.
Oh.
We're taking.
They my girl, they ugly anyway, I don't care. I don't want to be joke.
And somebody from Delaware gonna see you. Like, wait a minute.
Right. What's up, YouTube? It's like, y'all, okay, so I know you're gonna be mad at me because I didn't film shit, and I'm gonna tell y'all why, because today was literally a lot, y'all. But anyway, I'm just gonna film for y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. It is like 6 o'clock right now, and we just kind of get in the room together and we're making the bed. So I wanted to go ahead and film that. Oh wait, I'm stupid, like I don't have another iPhone. Ew, I forgot about this. When I washed it, all those balls came, and I tried to lint roll it.
Well, you're gonna have a sheet over it, so it don't matter.
Right?
You don't have a sheet?
I don't know why I wear it. It might be there.
Hey, you ghetto for real.
No, I haven't. Shut up.
Her ass don't use sheets.
This is a sheet.
The other sheet.
I know what you're talking about, the straight one, right?
Yeah.
So we go ahead, put my cute comforter. I gotta get I'm gonna run the white one back when I just gotta order it from Amazon. So for now, I'm just use this new one. And I literally had this for like 2 months, but I waited just so I could move out and use it. Like, I was so determined to not put this on my bed in the house. I was like, nope, I'm gonna wait. So it could be brand new. Go on that side. It's actually nice.
I might have to steal that.
You want to see next?
So, hey, time out, wait. Hey, time out, we could, hey, we're done playing.
You lying. Put the pillow down.
Peace. Hey, peace. Please don't hit me, I was just playing.
Okay.
Shake my hand.
Put that back.
Shake my hand.
I can't reach, so just come on. These are nice and fluffy.
Bro, we gotta shake my hand.
It's hot.
Bro, shake my hand.
You're trying to fool me.
What's your problem?
You're not. I'm not stupid.
Bro, shake my hand.
No.
It's a piece.
Grip.
It was what? Just like, shake my hand. Just shake my hand.
This is so nice and healthy. Like. Shout out to him for being so helpful and just really like on call and just really always being there. I'm really appreciative. I'm very thankful. So this is just a little thank you message, even though he gets my nerves. And then he was mad because he didn't have a haircut and I was filming. That's not my fault. But yeah, he really is very, very, very helpful. And I just want to say thank you. And let me not be all sappy in my feelings. But thanks, Brandon, seriously. Because I know you'll probably see this.
Yeah, just stop right there on that bed.
ain't throwing you on here. All right. Okay. Stop. I'm hungry. And I'm sweaty.
She's
so
about
don't
she's about to get thrown on this bed.
Brittany, stop. I'm sweaty. Well, you gonna knock my... Oh my God, Britt, please. Good morning, lovely people. So it is morning time. I've been up. First of all, y'all, when I tell you I didn't get any sleep last night, like typically people sleep like a baby their first night, but I was literally up every single hour. When I say every hour, I don't know why, but yeah, every hour. I could not sleep last night. It was hot, and then I don't know. And I slept here by myself. This on the first night. My sister didn't stay here. So I'm about to let all this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful natural light in. This light, oh my God. When I say these windows bring in so much light in this room. But yeah, so I am getting up. I've been up since 8 a.m. I tried to go back to sleep, but it just was not gonna happen. I don't know why. Go ahead and fix my bed, and I have to get a new ring light today, or a new power cord or something. So, y'all, we did so much damage, like, y'all don't even want to know. But I'm gonna show her the tab. I'm gonna show y'all the tab when we done. But yeah, we're still shopping, trying to get all the groceries. Come on. So guys, I am here to just give you guys an intro and an outro. So basically, if you see me looking like this, it's because it is definitely days, weeks later after I filmed everything with the whole moving process. But before, I close out the video, I just kind of want to add a few things in this video, kind of because I was supposed to tell y'all about my experience when we moved in, and y'all, it was literally hell. Like, our moving day was not the average moving day that you see on YouTube. It is not the one that you imagine, that you think that you're gonna have. It's not. So it's so important to always be prepared and really keep your guard up and really be assertive about what you want and what you paying for. Because let me tell y'all the story. Okay, it is crazy. Wait, maybe I should do a separate story time. I feel like I should. Should I do a separate story time? I don't know. Oh my gosh, hold on, let me sit closer. This look good. Hold on. But so that's gonna be another story time. I'm literally going to definitely do a separate video for that. And yeah, because that is crazy. Okay. Also, definitely will be doing an apartment tour, an official apartment tour. I know y'all want that because I want that, but it's going to take a little bit more time so we can get everything that we need and kind of get everything organized. For the most part, everything is done. We just need a few more items, and then I will definitely give you guys the apartment tour because I know that it's something everybody wants to see, especially during this moving apartment series that's all over YouTube. So go ahead and keep subscribing and stay tuned because I'm going to be uploading a lot coming soon. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. So stay tuned for the second part because I'm going to explain in